So I'm going to show you how to restore your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 from an external storage backup. So the first thing you need to do is connect your external storage device that contains your backup to the Type-C port of your phone, and then go to settings. Under settings, go to accounts and backup, tap on that, and then go to transfer data for device setup, tap on that, and then you should see external storage device icon here. So you want to go ahead and tap on it, and then it's going to ask you to charge your phone, and then in case you have low battery, then it's going to open up the backup and restore page, and then you can see restore from USB storage. Tap on that, and then it's going to start decrypting your data, and then it's going to ask you what you want to restore. You can choose select items to restore, or you can just restore everything. I'm going to choose everything and then tap on next, and now it's going to restore all my data from the backup I have on this external storage device. Thanks for watching, and good luck.